Boil water. Add the tortellini. Cover and cook for 8 minutes. Put the tortellini out in a bowl. Cut carrots. Cut red bell pepper. Cut mushrooms. Cut white onions. Cut tomatoes. The ingredients. Heat butter in a pan. Add white onions. Add carrots. Add red bell pepper. Add chicken cubes and curry, mix with water. Add water. Add salt. Add pepper. Cover for a few minutes. Add the cooked tortellini. Cover again. Add mushrooms. Add tomatoes. Cover again. Add cornstarch, mix with water. Add oregano. Cover again. Add cheese. Put it out on a plate. Add cheese. Ready to serve. Have a nice meal.